Hi all, this is me Karan. So in this particular lecture, we'll try to understand static keyword in C++. So basically there are two main use cases of static in C++, that is static variable inside a function, and second one is static member variable or static member function inside a class. So we'll try to understand both the use cases of static keyword in C++ with an example, and we'll also try to understand what is the reasoning behind using static keyword in C++. So first let's try to understand the first point, that is static variable inside a function. So what happens is, let's say this is my normal function fun, and I am calling this particular function from main. Let's say first I call this function fun. So I will get some output, and what will be the output of this particular function? So here x is equal to 0, and I will print the value of x, which will come out to be 0, and then I will increase the value by 1. So again I call this same function from the main. So now again what will happen? Again I will initialize x equal to 0. Again I will print the value of x, that is 0, and again I will increase the value. So what is happening here is, again and again I am overriding the previous value, because here I am reinitializing the 0 whenever I am calling this function next time. So that previous value is gone whenever someone calls this function from somewhere. So to avoid that situation, we can use static keyword. So what will happen? Let's say now I make this particular x as static int x equal to 0. Now what will happen? Let's say I am calling this function first time. So what will happen? I'll initialize x equal to 0, and again I will print the value of x. Now I will increase the value of x by 1, that is from 0 to 1, and again I will call this function, let's say fun. So what will happen? Again I will not reinitialize x with 0. Instead of that I will skip the reinitialization. So again I will print the value of x, that is x equal to 1, and I will again increase the value by 1, that is 2. Again let's say I am calling the function fun. Then again I will avoid reinitializing x equal to 0. So basically you can consider this as a skip statement, that is our compiler is not gonna call this particular function or this particular line again. So again I will print the output x, that is 2, and again I will increase the value by 3. So here what is happening is, let's say I am calling this function 100 times, but still I am initializing x equal to 0 only once, though I am calling this particular function 100 times. So this is one of the use cases of static in C++, that is initialization for any static variable will take place only once. So till the time this particular function is there, this value will not get initialized again and again. So this is one of the use cases of static when we are using the static keyword inside a function. Now in the next lecture we'll try to understand if we are using this static keyword before a function name. For example, here inside a class or any member variable of the class is static, then how that static property is gonna work, we'll try to understand that.